everyone, Andy here. In this lesson we're going to talk about Norwegian Wood from the Beatles. Let's get started. So the song is in the key of E in standard tuning, but we use a capo on the 2nd fret. So we put it here and make sure it's installed correctly. Checking all the strings if they're ringing correctly. That's good, okay? Now every time you have a capo on the neck of the guitar, on a fret, you treat that fret as 0 fret, okay? So if you need a G chord, you count from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, that's a G here. If you're playing a D chord, that's 0, 2nd fret, 3rd fret right here. Okay, all right, so I hope this avoid confusion about capo. The chords of the song is here from the capo is D major. We also use a C and a G. And in the chorus we use a D minor, another G, right? A D minor again, E minor, that, and A7, A and A7, right? So the melody part of the guitar, we're targeting these notes here, right? So from the capo, this is the 2nd fret, 2, 4, but you need to use your pinky here while making the shape of D. Back to 2, then 0. Okay, we're just talking about the 3rd string. Then your pinky will fret this 4th fret, 4th string. Okay, so those are the target melody notes. Then 1st finger on 2nd fret, 4th string, G string, pinky on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and then 0. So we have still maintaining the shape of D as much as you can. Okay. While that's happening, you're kind of hybrid strumming and plucking. So we got this. Still plucking it. Okay. Then you get this. There you go. Then we move to a C chord. This is like C add 9. It's like a G, only two fingers, top fingers are going down one string, both of them, right? Then you play this. Okay, from here. C, then it's like a G, then back to D. You're targeting this one here, this note, 3rd fret, 5th string, middle finger, 2nd finger. Then you open a G string. Then this is like a G, this one, 1st finger on the 2nd fret, 5th string. Back to D. Right? So we have back to D. Okay? So we combining all these. There you go. So you mind your plucking hand. Faster now. That's it. You repeat that. So spend time with that. Practice that. that will happen on the intro, on the verse, and then comes the chorus. We play this D minor. She asked me to stay, and she told me to sit anywhere. That's G. And D minor again. And I looked around and noticed there wasn't a chair. E minor. Chair. And A. Can do an option of A7 also. Then start on another verse. I sat on a rug, biding my time. Then another chorus is the same chorus, D minor, G, D minor, E minor, A. And then back to the beginning, verse. Okay, verse chords again. Intro and verse chords is the same. So you're gonna have to spend time on that melody. Right? While practicing that, okay, also think of the rhythm. You're still strumming, okay? Although you're strumming it, you're kind of targeting those melodies more. You're emphasizing it, okay, more, and the other strings. Like that. So, good luck on your guitar journey. I'll see you in the next lesson.